Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make egg cups or egg muffins. Whatever you want to call them, they're absolutely delicious and perfect for breakfast. These are great to make ahead and put in the freezer in the morning. You could just pull one out, heat it up, and it's ready to go. All the ingredients and measurements are in the link right below this video. And of course, they're simple to make. I've got large eggs, mushrooms. These are baby bellas. You can use white button or another variety. Yellow onion, half and half. If you can't find it in the store, use half whole milk and half heavy cream. Cheese, I'm using cheddar. You can substitute another variety like Gouda, pepper jack, Monterey jack. They're all good substitutions. And some cooked ham. Now if you want to keep it vegetarian, leave the ham out. Of course, you can put in any type of vegetable you want or any type of meat you want in the egg muffins. It's really up to you. The important thing is to cook whatever vegetable you're going to put in the egg muffin. Otherwise, it'll be watery and give the egg muffins a weird texture. I'm going to use a muffin pan to make the egg cups. To prep the mushrooms, wipe them clean with a damp cloth. Pop off the stem. Chop up the mushrooms and the stems. Chop the onion. If you're using ham, cut it up into small cubes. Heat up a pan. Add a little oil. Even though the ham is cooked, I like to saute it a little bit. Once they change color and get a little golden, we can remove them from the pan. Add the onions, pinch of salt, add a little oil if you need to. When the onions are soft, add the mushrooms. A little salt. A little pepper. Saute until golden. The mushrooms and onions are golden. Now we can set them aside to cool. Heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grate the cheese. It's always easier to grate if it's very cold. So just take the cheese out of the fridge right before you want to grate it. Crack the eggs. Beat the eggs up. Add the half and half. Salt. And fresh ground black pepper. Mix this until well blended. In case there's any spills, put the muffin tray on a baking sheet. To prevent the eggs from sticking, you want to coat the cups with oil or a cooking spray. I just use a little bit of vegetable oil and just rub it all over. You can use a pastry brush, but it's just one more thing to clean. I also like to oil the rim. The egg cups will rise a little bit and you don't want them to stick on top. Now we can fill the cups with the ham and the mushroom onion mixture. Put a little bit of ham in each cup and the cooled onion and mushroom mixture. You can see there's a good amount of filling in each cup. These are not dainty little egg cups. They're going to be quite hearty. Now the cheese. Now we'll pour in the egg mixture. Make sure to give it a whisk before you pour it in. I always put the egg mixture in a container with a spout so it's easy to pour. Pour it about 3/4 full. This recipe will make about 16 cups. So we've got 12 here, and I'm gonna also use a 6-cup muffin tin. Bake these in the heated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're set. In my oven, it took about 22 minutes for the egg cups to be done. You can see they're set, and they will pull away a little bit from the sides. After 5 minutes, run an offset spatula or a butter knife around each muffin. Then leave them alone for about 10 minutes until they cool down further. Just pull them a little bit on all sides. And it'll come out easier. For a little green, snip some fresh chives over the top. These are also very pretty to serve at brunch. The eggs are cooked inside, they're firm. You can see the onions and mushrooms, some of the ham. It's very tasty. And of course the cheese is perfect with the eggs. I hope you give these a try and let me know how you like them. Click on the bell icon if you want to get a notification of when I upload a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.